Let me guess. Your to-do list looks like a novel. Your productivity is on airplane mode and your mom keeps reminding you that even your neighbor's dog is more productive than you. Well, my friend, today is your redemption arc. Welcome to the channel where we take procrastination, put it in a box and ship it far, far away. Today I am revealing the secret sauce. AI tools that will make you so productive, even Elon Musk might call you for advice. And hey, if you have ever thought why can't someone or something just do this for me, congratulations. You have stumbled upon the right video. Hit that like button because trust me, this one is going to change your life. Here is the thing, life is hectic. Your boss wants update, your teacher wants assignment, and your friends, well, they just want you to reply to their text. It is like we are all stuck in this never-ending race where we run, but somehow the finish line keeps moving. But not anymore. They are like that super smart kid in class who always has the answers. But this time you can legally use their help. Let me show you how. First one, my partner in crime, ChatGPT. Think of it as your personal assistant. It can help you write essays, brainstorm ideas, and even reply to those emails you have been avoiding for 3 days. And it can even do more for you if you can write good prompts to him. But life is hard. Honestly, ChatGPT has saved me from so many awkward situations. I am starting to wonder if I should invite it to my birthday party. And yes, it can even help you craft flirty text. But hey, don't ask it to get you a date. That is still your job. Next on the list is Notion AI. If you are someone who loves the idea of being organized but doesn't actually do it, this tool is for you. It is like having a life coach who never yells at you. You can literally say, create a weekly schedule with 2 hours for Netflix and 6 hours for pretending to work. Notion AI has covered you. And the best part, it is so easy, even your grandma could use it if she ever decided to quit knitting and start hustling. Here is a pro tip. Don't let Notion plan your weekends because it does not understand the importance of a good chill day. The last and the bonus tool from this video for my overachievers who want to dominate everything. Meet DeepSeek AI. This is not just another tool, it is your Swiss Army knife for productivity. It is newly launched with its new version DeepSeek version 3, which is very much better than the ChatGPT in many cases, like programming, reasoning, and many more. But it cannot generate images yet and some other things that ChatGPT can do. You can use it also as you uses the ChatGPT. Maybe it will give you better response better than the ChatGPT. But fair warning, DeepSeek might steal your job.
Just kidding, guys.
Maybe. So there you have it, AI tools that will make you unstoppable, from writing and organizing to outsmarting algorithms. These tools are like having a personal assistant who never sleeps. Seriously, who needs coffee when you have got AI? And before you ask, no AI can do your jobs yet, but hey, we are getting there. Like this video, smash that like button so the algorithm bless me. And if you have not already subscribed, please subscribe. That does not take so much time because in the next video, I am revealing more life-changing hacks. And comment below, what is one task you would love AI to handle for you?